Boy done learned something, hadn't he? This is bad on the knees. I got me some knee pads. What's going on, crew? Just another day here working on the 1973 222. What I got going on today is the outer skin of the transom just has so many holes in it, and also there's some blisters. And so instead of just piecing it back together and filling holes, what I'm going to do is go ahead and grind all of the gel coat off. That way I can fare it all as one big piece and get it back in shape. I can give you a look right here. So I'm using my 4.5 inch grinder with some sanding pads. That just takes the gel coat off really quickly, and it's not a real smooth surface, but I'll come back with the belt sander and slick it up a lot and then get ready to fare it out. So here we go, a lot of grinding and sanding. That's it for today. Gel coat's gone. Got a lot of holes to patch. I'll keep working on it. So stay with us.